Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The World Bank has approved $140 million for Jamaica to strengthen the island's financial position against disasters. The announcement was made today at a media briefing involving Prime Minister Andrew Holness and World Bank Vice President for Latin America and the Caribbean, Alex Van Trotzenberg.
The Minister of Finance recently attended the spring meetings of the World Bank, and there had discussions to secure the resources that we now make mention of publicly. That is $140 million in additional support.
The Prime Minister says Jamaica qualified for the disbursement because of the economic gains the country has made in recent times.
For good management. Granted, these funds are not grant resources, but it does show that the World Bank and other international development partners are willing to place their loan portfolios with us because we are managing our economy the right way.
As part of the new financing, $100 million will be delivered in the form of 2 budget support operations. The World Bank says that is to create a new line of defense in the face of disaster risks. The remaining $40 million will be delivered in the form of an investment operation for strengthening social protection and building human capital. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, has targeted several priority initiatives for implementation aimed at boosting its service delivery. It's a part of the company's 2019-2020 operational plan. These include increasing ridership by improving bus schedule notices and continued restructuring of sub-franchise operations to reclaim high-density route corridors. The plan will be guided by funding secured for spare parts, a structured repair and maintenance schedule, refurbishing of 15 buses for return to service, and implementation of a comprehensive electronic fleet tracking and management system. In currency trading, the US dollar ended the day selling for $134.96. The Canadian dollar sold for $100.46. The pound sterling is going for $172.76, while the euro closed the day at $151.58. On the stock market, the JSE index gained 5,378 points today, while the junior market index declined by 22 points. Stocks posting gains include Portland JSX, Carib Cement, 1834 Investments, Mayberry Investments, and Alaska Distributors. Now on the losing side were Paramount Trading, Knutsford Express Services, Jamaica Broilers Group, Pulse Investments, and Caribbean Cream. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.